Hey, what's up guys, Fahzman here. In this video I am going to show you top smartphone tricks and hacks which you should try. But before we get started, let's talk about the sponsor of this video, Wondershare Mockit. Mockit is an online platform for UX, UI, web designers, product manager, marketing specialists and testers to create great prototypes and UI design with ease. What's more, it also provides Windows, Mac, Ubuntu versions. The tool lets you create a prototype in less than 10 minutes. Thanks to 500 plus libraries of icons, components, screens and templates, and I like the fact that it's based on the cloud and has support for features like team members, feedback sharing and more. Plus, along with prototypes, Mockit has also added support for designs, flowcharts with mind map support coming soon. Wondershare Mockit is available to try for free right now, so go ahead and check it out from the link in the description below. If you are going to buy second-hand Android phone, you can test the phone before buying with just a simple code. Open a dial pad and dial *#0*#. With this, you can test the speaker, camera, touch sensor and almost everything. If your phone was stolen or you deleted the contacts by mistake, you can easily find your old contacts on Facebook Messenger. Open the Facebook Messenger and tap on your profile icon and click on Phone Contacts. Here click on Manage Contacts. Here you will find all the list of your old contacts. If you have forgotten the password of your Gmail account, you can easily see it on your Chrome browser. Open the Chrome browser, tap on three-dot icon, then go to Settings and click on Passwords. Here you will see the Gmail account, tap on it and simply press on the I button to see the password. And that's it. If you want to make a free calls all over the world without balance, all you need to do install an app Dingtone on your phone. Here you will get the 15 credits when you sign up for the first time. You can also get the daily free credits by watching the videos and daily check-in. And you can use this credit to make a free call. If you want to check who is reading your WhatsApp messages, you can do it very easily. Open your WhatsApp, go to Settings and then click on WhatsApp Web. And here if you saw any device, just click on that and click on Logout. Now that person will not be able to read your WhatsApp messages. If you want to record a phone call or WhatsApp call, all you need to do is install an app Call Recorder Cube ACR. With this app, you can easily record your phone's calls, WhatsApp calls, Skype call, Imo call by pressing on the Mac icon. It's very simple and easy to use. If you automatically want to receive the call when you are connected to the Bluetooth device or using hands-free, all you have to do is go to dial pad and click on three-dot icon and click on Settings. After this, click on Answering and End Calls and simply enable answer automatically. Now you can automatically receive call after 2 seconds when a headset or Bluetooth device is connected. If you want to remove the background of any photo without installation an app, all you have to do is open your browser and enter remove.bg. After this, upload your image here. It will automatically remove your background within seconds. You can also download it on your phone gallery. We all use Google Chrome, but you can also free up space from Google Chrome. Open the Google Chrome app and click on top right three-dot icon and go to Settings. After that, click on Site Settings and here click on Data Stored. Here you will see a lot of data. You can clear all site data to increase the storage of your cell phone. If you want to hear the name of the caller person, means when you receive a call, your phone will speak the caller name. To enable this setting, go to keypad and click on top right 3 dot icon and tap on settings. Then click on answering and ending call and turn on read caller names aloud.